A proud graduate of the Performing Arts from Toronto, Canada State University, RJ Perkins, 21, Masanting ka, Aguila City!
Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang beat. Sa bawat galaw mo ako rin hanggang sa huling
Currently studying at Bulacan State University, taking a Bachelor in Industrial Technology. I am Manuel Mendoza, 20. Masanting ka, apalit!
hawak mo ang beat, huwag mong bibitawan hanggang sa huling
A proud licensed Doctor of Veterinary Medicine and a General Surgeon at Monjayfer Veterinary Clinic, I am Dr. Christian Manigdao Kanko, 29, Masanting ka, Araya!
A graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in